Hello students, I am your science teacher Surendra Bhatrai. Today we are discussing about the reactivity of elements. Objectives of the topic. At the end of this class, you will be able to recognize which element is more reactive in a group and compare the reactivity of elements in a period. Reactivity of elements. In a group 1A, 2A and 3A, which is also called metals, reactivity of elements increase from top to bottom. But in group 5A, 6A and 7A, the reactivity of elements decreases. Why? What may be the reason? In group metals or in group 1A, 2A and 3A, reactivity of elements increases from top to bottom. It is because if we go from top to bottom, atomic size of element increases. When the atomic size of element increases, the distance between the nucleus and valence electron also gets increased. Therefore, the force of attraction between the nucleus and the valence electron gets decreased. Therefore, it becomes very easy for them to lose valence electron during chemical reaction. Therefore, they are more reactive. Here is question for you. Which one is more reactive, sodium or potassium? Correct. Obviously, your answer will be potassium. Potassium is more reactive than sodium. It is because atomic size of potassium is bigger than sodium. Therefore, the distance between nucleus and valence electron in case of potassium is greater. So, the force of attraction between nucleus and valence electron decreases in case of potassium. Therefore, potassium can lose valence electron easily during chemical reaction. Therefore, potassium is more reactive than sodium. And if we go to the group 5A, 6A and 7A, that is non-metals, the reactivity of element decreases. As shown in the figure, if we go from top to bottom, the atomic size of element increases here too. When the atomic size increases, the distance between nucleus and the valence electron decreases. Therefore, the force of attraction between the distance between the nucleus and valence electron increase. Therefore, the force of attraction between nucleus and valence electron decreases. Therefore, it becomes very difficult for them to gain electron in valence shell during chemical reaction. Therefore, their reactivity decreases. Another question for you. Which one is more reactive, fluorine or chlorine? Correct. Obviously, your answer is fluorine. Fluorine is more reactive than chlorine. It is because atomic size of fluorine is small, And when the atomic size is smaller, the distance between nucleus and valence electron in this case is also small. But the force of attraction between nucleus and valence electron increase. Therefore, it will be more easier for fluorine to gain electron in valence shell. Therefore, it is more reactive than chlorine. But if we go from left to right in a periodic table, the reactivity of element is different. Reactivity of element decreases from left to right, from group 1A to group 4A, and then it increases up to group 7A. Why? It is because if we go from left to right in a period, the reactivity of element decreases from 1A to 4A or up to 3A. It is because atomic size of element decreases. When atomic size of element decreases, but the nucleus charge increase. When nucleus charge gets increased, it becomes difficult for them to lose valence electron during chemical reaction. Therefore, the reactivity of element decreases. But from group 3A or 4A to 7A, the reactivity of element increases. Why? It is the same reason, because atomic size of element decreases from group 4A to group 7A. When atomic size gets decreased, but the nuclear charge gets increases. Therefore, it will be very easy for them to gain electrons in valence shell during chemical reaction. Therefore, their reactivity gets increased. There are some questions for you. Potassium is more reactive than calcium. Why? Here is hint. Your answer is correct. It is obviously, we can say that potassium is bigger than calcium. So potassium can lose valence electron easily. Another question for you. Chlorine is more reactive than sulfur. Why? The answer is same. Here is hint. Chlorine is smaller than sulfur. Therefore, chlorine can gain electron easily during chemical reaction. Thank you very much.